Hello everyone, this is Joanna, and tonight I wanted to share with you a stamping plate purchase that I made. I was going to wait a few days because I am also waiting on my new Cheeky Jumbo plates. Three of those, the European Romance, the Home Sweet Home, and I think the third one that I ordered was the tropical one. But I decided not to do that because it may take a few more days, and since these plates are more odd and are from somewhere else, I thought I would do a showing of just these. What I have here, and I have two of these, are nail plates from Dashika Beauty, and I don't know if I say that right. This is how their name is. It's Dashika Beauty, and this company is from the Netherlands. How I first found out about this company was I was on Instagram and someone sent me a message that I should check out Dashika Beauty. And I didn't know if it was Dashka or Dashika. I'm still not certain if I'm saying that right. Well, I went back through my pictures trying to figure out who that was so I could give them credit, and I never found out. But that prompted me to look on YouTube to see what kind of information I could find. And the very first person that I found on YouTube that had a video was Lorraine CD. Now, I don't know how to do links, so that's why I've written this. And that CD right here, I've kind of got that too close together. But I hope I'm saying her name right. It's Lorraine CD. And she had information on these plates as well as had also done some stamping with them. And there were a few other people that had demonstrations. I think a Miss Moore to be. But it was Lorraine CD that I am subscribed to and that I actually communicated with. I wasn't very sure of how to place my first order, so I kind of did it like just off the bat. I didn't contact anybody. I sent the order through. Now, I'm familiar with ordering from the United Kingdom Lush. I know that when I do that, the package cannot be tracked. I also understand the money conversion. I usually know that if I place a $40 order, I will need between $60 or $70. With these, I wasn't sure. Each plate was $13.99, and there were like maybe 12 that I wanted at the time. Well, that's since gone down to 2 more plates plus a 20-piece set that I'm after, and maybe a couple of the, I think, XL plates. One of them is number 3. But I'm only going to place 2 more orders because when I got these plates, they were $13.99 on site. I placed an order for 2, and I got insurance, and I'm very glad that I did because I entered my address wrong. I wasn't used to their labeling, so instead of my 3 numbers from my apartment number showing it only had 1, which I got worried because I'm having trouble with UPS right now. So it came in the mail and everything was all good, but I had contacted Lorraine and told her, how many plates I ordered, what the total was, and she said that was normal, so then I kind of chilled out a little bit, and then they came a few days later. So I have learned since then to contact the lady named Shirley prior to my order, so I will just show you these real quick. I do plan to come back. I start going to work tomorrow, and as you know, I say that I'm off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I have 11 of the China Glaze Sensational colors, and I have worn 1. I do plan to use those as the background colors for when I come back and demonstrate these plates, which I will probably do that on Monday or Tuesday, but I want to show these to you. They come packaged like this, and this is not at all hard to get into, so I do like that. And they come with this film, and as I said, I have 2. The ones that I have are Big SDPZ, and the other one that I have is O. And since I wanted so many plates and then I got discouraged by the cost, I tried to pick out the first 2 that I was curious about. I'm thinking that I entered Z by accident since I didn't really know what I was doing because I didn't really want this plate. But I do like it and I am going to keep it. It was one of the ones on my list, but I think I would have started out with P and O. But I know that I entered the wrong thing and it took, and then I went from there. So it was trial and error. But they come with this blue film. So we're going to take this off here. And it doesn't come off too bad. It's kind of sticky. So So I'll probably go over these plates with Acetone. But this one is Z. And I'm going to try to turn this so that you can see some of this because I am recording with my phone. And there's a lot of glare and it's nighttime. I tried to do this when it would be most quietest since the people that live above me make a ton of noise. So you see there are a few images on here that I do like, but I think if I would have navigated a little bit better, I would have picked the P plate first. Because when I made my list, like I said, I had 12 plates, and I had certain ones double underlined so that I could go back in there. Because the ones at the end have pictures, but the beginning ones like A through something don't. So I was watching a lot of Lorraine CD's videos. She was very helpful, and I thank her for all the information that she has shared with me thus far. Now, this one I really, really wanted. When I saw this one online, I knew the image that I wanted to try first, and I also know what I want to do with it, which is why I'm going to demonstrate these next week with my sensational colors. Now, this image right here, I love that. Try to put that so you can see it. This one right here. Either one of these, as a matter of fact. I want to do something with that with my Too Yacht to Handle polish or one of my Aquadelic colors. And I know that I want to stamp it in black, and I know that I want to put a little bit of white over it, because what I plan on doing with those colors is sponging other colors on top and then stamping from there. As a demonstration. And I hear good things about these plates. I was going to try them out tonight since I have on green polish, and I was going to use my pastel yellow polish. But I've been in my hair and I've been doing a lot of things, and I find that my stamping works best when I do it on freshly polished nails that have freshly dried instead of nails that I have polished, way prior to, and then I've done work around the house. I've been in my hair, I've been cleaning things, so I didn't want to put any top coat on, and this will be coming off after tomorrow. But what I have on is the Revlon Green Posh, and I do like this pale yellow. This was not on the Conad site. I think I found this on the, it was on the Conad site, the one that's not American. But I ordered from Wow So Cool. This was not on the Wow So Cool site. So I put the label of pale yellow, but I'm thinking it might have been called pastel yellow. But if you're interested in this color, you can get it on eBay, as well as the magenta. But these are, let me get this closer here, some of the designs from this plate. And I just wanted to come on and share this, because I've had these for a couple of days now. And then I will do the cheeky ones by themselves. But I really like this. And I do also like the little Hello Kitty up here. I think that's cute. I think there's something I can try to do with that. But I just wanted to come on and share with you guys. Again, these plates are Ashika Beauty. The company is in the Netherlands. And it seems a bit pricey, but I look at it in terms of the fact that if I get a good foundation, as I've said before, if you go out and you're getting makeup, you get a good foundation, you get a good powder, some eyeshadow, you're going to pay almost $100 for those items, $80. So I look at it like this. The plates were cheap, but coming all the way from the Netherlands, you're going to pay for the shipping. I like these. Lorraine CD has good things to say about these, and the few other ladies that I have found online also have good things to say about these. So I do promise to come back on Monday and do some stamping. So just look up the ashikabeauty.com. Yeah, I think that's what it was. But don't be discouraged. Something in my Chrome translated some of the language to English. It was just I couldn't navigate the address part because it asked for the street and the numbers, and it was kind of backwards, but it all came together, and I now know what to do. So until the next time, everyone have a great night, and I'll see you then.